Hello YouTube. I look like death slightly warmed over. I might have the Rona, I don't know. We're gonna get a test tomorrow, we as in me. I've never owned a vacuum this good, and I literally only paid $60 for it. So this is just gonna be a real quick review because I already love it. I'm gonna show it off a little bit, I guess. So I'm gonna show the box first and what we've done so far. So here's the box. I just brought it back in from outside. That's why Rosie's all about it. Say hi, Rosie. Alright, so lightweight and compact, very accurate. This thing is so light. That's one of the reasons I wanted to show it off, is because this vacuum is perfect for people with disabilities and chronic illnesses, and I'm gonna show you guys why. So, but this is just, you know, all the doodads. Alright, so far I've used it on this half of this rug my mom has had forever. We haven't had a real vacuum in ages, not since I lived here. Like, I sweep it all the time, and I've actually shampooed it. We have a carpet shampooer, but it just never felt clean. And like 5 minutes with this vacuum, and it already is so completely different. I wonder if I can show a spot I didn't get to yet. Yeah, here. So here we have what the carpet looked like before. And then this is what it looks like only after, I think, literally 5 minutes. Such a difference. I filled up 2 canisters with just that half of the carpet, and I'm sure there's more in there. Did you see how cool that was, that it so quick unlocked? And then it has a little latch right here. It's a bottom dumper. That's it. Which is awesome for me because I have dust allergies. So every time I dumped out the vacuum, I'd get a huge attack. And then it just snaps right back in. The other part I'm really excited about is this doodad, because I got this faux suede couch futon from the Walmart, and you can see what one day. This is one day with my dogs. Yep, you. And you. Anyway, so apparently what we gotta do is this pops off, which I did once by accident, which is where all this came from. Not by accident, like I did it to try it. So this pops off, and then it hooks to here, and then this comes out and becomes a wand. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, so there are slight downsides to this thing being so light. I think that's the only one. So, I have my hose hooked up. It's not very long. I would have liked an extendo wand to go with it, but this'll do. I can't reach the ceiling fan, but it is light enough I can pick it up with my right hand and vacuum with my left. So I guess that's not too much of a downside. So I'm gonna hook up this thing, which is probably gonna be called the twirly bird because that's all that's in my head right now. And we're gonna vacuum the couch. We're gonna see how it does, because we already know it works great on that, as deemed by the dogs, because they won't get off of it. But now we're gonna try it on here. Okay, so there's no electricity to this thing. So I'm guessing they figured out a way to get the air pressure to move the bristles in order to get the stuff. So that's pretty cool. I guess this is also for stairs, but we don't have stairs. We live in New Mexico. All right, it's gonna get loud. I'm probably gonna put on music for you guys. Here's our little button. I did have every intention of putting on real pants. I couldn't find them. Shh. Alrighty, y'all. It's my masterpiece. It didn't take that much. I'm just exhausted. So, just a microfiber cloth after the vacuum. Got it all back to normy. It's a little wet, but I had to show you now because it's getting impossible to keep people off of it. Oh, you got shy? Got this thing in a bunch of parts. So let's see how easy it is to put it back together. Don't expect it to be too bad. So just sticking stuff back where they were. Make sure that's secure. Here. Alright. My new favorite thing in the world. This vacuum. Okay, I lied, it's you. I love you. Good night, folks. Clean with ease, if possible. Good luck. Look at this. This is what I have to deal with. I told him to leave me alone, and this is what he's doing. Hey!
What?
Vacuum you up!